Welcome to today's journey into the world of programming, where we unravel the secrets behind creating an engaging number guessing game using Python and its popular GUI toolkit, tkinter. As we embark on this thrilling adventure, we'll delve deep into the Python code that brings a classic game to life, a game that not only entertains, but also sharpens our logical and programming skills. Our journey begins with laying the groundwork, importing essential tkinter modules, and setting up the main application window. Notice how the background and title set the stage for an immersive gaming experience. Next, we dive into the heart of our game, crafting the user interface. Labels guide the player, while the entry box awaits their guess. Each button, styled meticulously, plays a pivotal role in the game's narrative. At the core of our game lies the ingenious logic that challenges the player. The check-guess function, a mastermind that compares, gives feedback, and determines the fate of the game with each guess. Every attempt a step closer to victory or a nudge towards defeat. Our game, empathetic in its feedback, guides the player through a roller coaster of emotions, from the anticipation of guessing to the exhilaration of victory. And when the game concludes, whether in triumph or in learning, the reset game function stands ready, offering a new dawn, a new challenge, inviting the player to once again test their wit against the machine. In the realm of Python and tkinter, every line of code is a story, every function a character in this digital play. As we conclude today's tale, remember, the magic of programming lies not just in the code, but in the joy and learning it brings to both the creator and the user. Thank you for joining us in this coding adventure. Stay curious, keep coding, and until next time, happy programming.